Hey everyone from the Worthwhile channel. Today I'm bringing you a brand new release that's set to dominate the budget projector market and completely change the way we watch films and series at home. I'm talking about the YOTON Y7, a compact model packed with technology, featuring official Netflix certification, 4K HDR support, and ultra-fast Bluetooth 5.2. All of this comes at a very affordable price, offering the best cost-benefit ratio in its category. But does it really deliver everything it promises? Stick around because I'm going to show you every detail. Before we get started, don't forget to check the link in the description to get yours, and remember to leave a like and subscribe so you don't miss any new content. First of all, I'd like to thank everyone who's been supporting the channel. You're all amazing. Before we open the box, let me show you something important. The YOTON Y7 is sold through the brand's official store directly on Amazon. Yes, it's a verified YOTON store with a trust badge and genuine customer reviews. So you can purchase with complete confidence straight from Amazon. No middlemen, no counterfeits, and no risks. By the way, this is one of the things that really inspires confidence. On the Projector's box itself, you'll find direct contact details for the company, including phone numbers and email addresses, in case you ever need support or have any questions. In other words, the after-sales service is genuine, not one of those cases where you buy the product and can never reach anyone again. On the outside, the Y7 looks almost identical to the Magcubic L018, with a very similar shape and the same port layout. And by the way, we also have a review of that model here on the channel. But don't be fooled, inside they're completely different. The YOTON interface has been completely redesigned, smoother, more modern, and with direct access to certified Netflix. The Y7 also comes with a built-in app store and automatic system updates, meaning it keeps improving over time without needing USB drives or manual cable updates. The box arrived in perfect condition, very well packaged and protected. Inside, you'll find a multilingual manual with English, Spanish, and other languages, the Bluetooth remote control, power cable, cleaning kit, and of course the main highlight, the YOTON Y7 projector. And just look at it, what a beautiful design. Right away, what stands out is the 270-degree rotation angle, which lets you easily turn the projector and position it however you like. You can set it up on a table, mount it on the ceiling, or even install it upside down. There's a standard screw mount underneath, perfect for using it with a tripod or fixed support. On the front section, you'll find the automatic adjustment camera, which handles all the magic. Keystone correction, autofocus, and even obstacle detection, all working in real time. Right next to it, you'll find the infrared sensor, and the design features just one physical button on the top, keeping the look clean, minimalistic, and modern. In terms of connectivity, it includes a USB port, HDMI input, and power connector. The USB port can be used for flash drives, a mouse, or a keyboard, but it's worth noting that it doesn't provide power for devices like a Chromecast or TV stick. For that, you'll need to use another power source, or connect them directly via HDMI. On the back, notice this central detail. It's the quick access panel for lens cleaning. Since this model doesn't have a sealed optical system, that little cover makes maintenance easier and helps prevent dust buildup. Inside the box, you get everything you need: the remote control, power cable, complete manual, cleaning kit, and a USB cable, a full package, ready to use straight out of the box. Now it's time to see the YOTON Y7 in action. If it's your first time using it, you'll just need to connect to Wi-Fi by entering your password, like you would with any smart device. Mine's already connected here. Right away, what stands out is how easy it is to use. It starts up quickly, automatically connects to Wi-Fi, and takes you straight to the main interface, with Netflix, Prime Video, YouTube, and Disney Plus ready to go. Everything feels smooth and responsive. Menus open instantly, and switching between apps is almost seamless. Unlike many budget projectors, there's no lag or freezing. It's just power on and watch. The YOTON Y7 has a native Full HD 1080p resolution, with support for 4K HDR playback, delivering crisp sharpness and vivid, lifelike colors. Its 20,000:1 contrast ratio produces deep blacks and bright whites, and with 500 ANSI lumens, It performs very well in controlled lighting, though you'll get the best results in a darker room. Even so, for a projector at this price point, the image quality is truly impressive. You can easily enjoy your favorite series, films, or even football matches with smooth motion and no visible blur. One feature that really impressed me is the electronic focus and automatic keystone correction. This means that even if you move the projector, the image readjusts itself automatically, keeping everything perfectly aligned. And thanks to the 270-degree rotating stand, you can project onto the wall, ceiling, or even at an angle, completely hassle-free. The projection quality of the Y7 Pro is excellent. Here it's set about 2 meters away, producing an image of around 100 inches, which is a great proportion for home use. When it comes to prime video performance, unlike many projectors without official certification, the YOTON Y7 runs the app natively, without needing to activate mouse mode for navigation. That's a major advantage, since in most uncertified models, both Netflix and Prime Video usually require that feature to operate properly. The system itself is smooth and well optimized, and any slight delay in loading is more related to your internet connection speed than to the projector's performance. On top of that, the image quality on both Prime Video and Netflix is superb, with vivid colors and excellent sharpness. Now let me show you a bit of the device settings. Another strong point is the ultra-fast Bluetooth 5.2. In just a few seconds, you can connect headphones, speakers, or even a soundbar. The sound quality improves dramatically, becoming richer and more immersive. And if you'd like, you can mirror your phone, tablet, or laptop screen with a single click using TV Cast, AirPlay, or Miracast. The built-in audio is also impressive, featuring dual 15-watt speakers, which already puts it ahead of many competitors in the same price range. Of course, if you want a true cinema-like experience, you can connect an external Bluetooth speaker. Pairing is fast, and there's virtually no delay in sound transmission. After spending a few days testing the YOTON Y7, I can safely say, this is one of the best value-for-money projectors I've ever reviewed on the channel. What impressed me the most was its premium build quality, very similar to the Magcubic L018. In fact, it's identical on the outside, but with completely different hardware and software inside. The Y7 feels more modern, quieter, and far more stable. The electronic focus and automatic keystone correction work flawlessly, and having official Netflix support is a huge advantage. No more dealing with unreliable third-party apps. On top of that, the Bluetooth 5.2 and dual-band Wi-Fi ensure fast and stable connections at all times. It's worth mentioning, though, the projector has 500 ANSI lumens, so to get the best possible image quality, you'll want to use it in a darkened environment. If there's strong natural light, the brightness does drop a bit, but that's completely normal for projectors in this category. Overall, the YOTON Y7 delivers far more than it promises: full HD quality, stereo sound, smart focusing, and a complete streaming platform, all backed by official warranty and direct customer support. And yes, the company's contact details and phone numbers are printed right on the box, which really shows YOTON's commitment and reliability towards its customers. So what do you think of this projector? Leave a comment if you'd like to see a comparison video between the YOTON Y7 and the Magcubic L018. If there's enough interest, I'll definitely make that video for you. If you're looking to start your home cinema journey with something affordable yet reliable, the YOTON Y7 is an excellent choice. I'll leave the link to the official YOTON store directly on Amazon in the description below. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss the next reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.